So today I'm going to be unboxing the World Collectible figure Fukurou. I've been wanting him for a really long time, and I just found him on Mandorake about 2 months ago. He's just been here sitting in his box ever since. So finally getting around to opening him. Can already see his beautiful head in here. Now it's time to free this beast. I'm so excited to finally have a figure of him. These poles are hard to get out sometimes. So here are his pieces. He's got the support pole and his stand, and then his body and the bottom half of his mouth. And then here's his perfect face, his head. So I'll put the head on first. There it goes. I just love him already. This is amazing. And this hole right here for the support pole to go into. There he is. Okay, so it looks like it's got a little peg down there. Then he's got a hole in one of his feet. So I gotta, let's see, I'll stick the pole in first. Then I gotta get his foot on that little peg in there. Okay, now it's on. Best WCF figure. So this really has to be my favorite WCF figure. I mean, there might be one that's close. I gotta look at the ones I have again, but I'm pretty sure he's my favorite now. I love the pose they have him in here. And he's up on one leg. And he's such a weird shape that he almost looks like he's regular proportions, even as a WCF, because his fucking head is so big. He's the best figure. He is the best. I really wish they would make a bigger figure of him, but I doubt that's ever gonna happen. So this will have to do. And it's amazing. The best member of CP9. And one of the best parts in all of One Piece. I just watched this part again like a week ago, and it was even better than it was the other times I've seen it. Like, it just gets better every time. So I'm gonna recreate this amazing scene using Lego. I have lots of leftover pieces. Pretty sure I should be able to build it out of these. So first I'm gonna make the base out of these plates. So it's gonna be 16 by 16. And now the base is finished. So he's gonna go right here, but up higher on the wall. Not sure how I'm gonna secure him to it yet though. So I'm gonna build the wall like this. But it leaves that gap right there, so I'm gonna have to use another 1x2 brick just pointing towards the back instead of a 1x1 since I don't have any. So now I'm just going to keep repeating this pattern all the way up until until I feel like it's high enough to put Fukurou up on, then I'll figure out how to secure him up there somehow. Okay, so the wall is tall enough now, and I got this Lego piece with a hole in it. So instead of putting the support pole in him like that, I'm gonna turn it around and then put it into this Lego piece. And then stick it into him like this. I'm gonna leave this one spot empty right here, and then stick the support pole through it. With the Lego piece out the back. Then I'm gonna hook these three on top of it. Seems to be in place now. I didn't expect to figure that out so easily, but now I'm really excited to see it finished. So this is looking a lot better than I thought it was gonna look. I was worried I was gonna have to end up gluing them to it because I couldn't see any other way to get it to look right. But yeah, somehow I figured it out, and you can't even see where he's hooked in because it's in the back, and then his fat body is blocking it from the front, so it's just looking perfect how it should. I still got a lot more Lego, so I'm just going to keep going higher. He's not going to fit on my shelf, but I'm going to find somewhere else to put him. So I think he's too low now because I'm going to keep going even higher. So I'm going to have to take him out and then fill that empty spot. Then I'll put him up at where the top is right now and keep going. Okay, so it's finally tall enough, but now I have to make the base a little bit wider because I feel like it might tip over, so I want to give it more stability. So now it's complete. I just used whatever tiles I had to just give it a random pattern for the base. There he is. Then at the top I put some more tiles. Then here's the back where he's held on. I just love this, it's amazing. And here it is with the manga volume. So this little display I made is now one of my favorite things in my whole collection. It was so simple to make, and now I have one of my favorite scenes that I can just look at whenever I want.